व्यूअर्स, दिस इज मिनीशा और आपका फिर से एक बार स्वागत करते हुए। और एज वी नो वी आर राइट नाउ अवेयरिंग यू विद सो मेनी डिसीजेस, बट हाँ, फिलहाल इस बार बात हो रही है किडनी कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे के बारे में। यस, और इसी डे को स्पेशल बनाते हुए हम चाहते हैं कि हम आपके लिए कुछ इंफॉर्मेटिव लेके आए, और इसलिए मैं मौजूद हूँ अभी इस कैबिन में और मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं एक कैंसर एक्सपर्टी और मैं कहूँगी मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट जिन्होंने 10 साल से भी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस ले है और बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट किया है। तो आइए उनसे ही मिलते हैं। आई वुड लव टू वेलकम डॉक्टर विराज सर। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे। एंड सर, ऑन दिस स्पेशल किडनी कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे वी जस्ट वांट टू अवेयर आवर ऑडियंस रिगार्डिंग किडनी कैंसर। क्या आप बता सकते हैं किडनी कैंसर क्या होता है?
Kidney is an organ which produces urine, and kidney cancers are of multiple types. So one type of kidney cancer is a renal cell carcinoma, in which the part of the kidney which produces urine becomes cancerous. Even in that, there are many subtypes such as clear cell carcinoma, papillary RCC, then chromophobe RCC. Then there is another part in kidney which carries that urine to the ureters and bladder. Sometimes those parts get cancer and we call it as a transitional cell carcinoma. Sometimes the kidney cancer also occurs in children. We call it Wilms tumor, and it occurs in age less than 5. So there are multiple type of cancers that can affect a single organ, kidney.
So, as you said, there's a different type of kidney cancer. So there have some different type of treatment for each of them.
Broadly, the treatment is if it's a transitional cell carcinoma, the treatment would be different. If there is a renal cell carcinoma, in that case, the treatment will be different. Wilms tumor has a different treatment. Treatment also depends on stage. So it's not one homogeneous disease that we are dealing with. There are many subtypes, and we change the treatment as per the type.
Okay, so for our audience awareness, how kidney cancer can diagnosed?
See, kidney cancer generally presents with blood in urine. It can present swelling in abdomen, especially in the swelling in the the junction between the front and the back of our stomach. It can also present with pain. It can present with in advanced cases it can present with weight loss. It can present with tiredness. It can present with decreased appetite. These are generally in the later stages. In the early part, there is blood in the urine, swelling, and pain.
Okay, so if somebody wants to know that he is having any symptoms, how can he recognize that?
Generally, what I advise any cancer patient is that there are many that almost every symptom can occur in cancer. So we should not panic at any symptom. If there is any symptom that is not getting resolved in spite of a proper medical treatment and proper physician supervision, even after maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, that is the time you can start deepening your investigations to see if there is anything bigger there. But just 1 or 2 days of stomach pain, or just 1 day of fever, you shouldn't really start thinking about cancer, because every symptom ultimately cancer has, right? So but that doesn't mean that every time you get a symptom it is cancerous. So what I generally suggest is that if you have a blood in urine and there is a pain, then that can even happen in infection also. But pain, lump, then you can always show to your nearby physician. You will show, because you are having blood in urine and you are having fever, you have pain and swelling. So you will always bring to the notice of the physician, and then the physician will investigate it whether it has any whether it is cancerous or whether it is non-cancerous. Right. So that's what I would suggest, that yes, cancer should not be ignored. At the same time, you shouldn't relate every symptom with cancer also.
Definitely, sir. And if someone just having cancer, how many chances are there that he will gonna diagnose, like he will gonna cure fully?
Generally cancer treatment depends on the stage of the cancer. If the cancer is just localized to kidney or to the surrounding lymph nodes, then the patient is 100% cured. If the cancer has spread to other part, then to the disease can be controlled. The disease can be kept under control for very very long time, and survival nowadays extends into years of even a last stage kidney cancer. But in early stages, yes, it is practically 100% curable. in just if
Yeah.
it's restricted to kidney.
तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस से मैं बस जानना चाहती हूँ कि कौन सी एज ग्रुप है जिनको किडनी कैंसर का सबसे ज्यादा खतरा रहता है?
Generally, the age group, see, as I told you, there are some type of kidney cancers which occur in the early age, less than 5 years. But we will keep that aside. Normally, the average age is around 40 to 50 years, sometimes more than 50 also. Generally, are diagnosed with renal cancer. So earlier times, older people used to get diagnosed more, but now it is slightly shifting towards more younger population. But yes, I would generally keep it between 40 to 60.
And what are the risk factors which we have to take care of that we
Yeah.
can stay away from this kidney cancer?
Yeah. So obviously there are some cases of kidney cancer which can have some genetic predisposition, but there is not a lot we can do about that. We will talk about modifiable factors. The modifiable factors is smoking, obesity, hypertension, uncontrolled hypertension, alcoholism, exposure to some chemicals, dyes. So the foremost thing that a person has to do is to quit smoking if they are doing so. Limit intake of alcohol, take care of your hypertension, diabetes. These are the ailments you have to take good care of. Indulge into regular exercises, eat healthy, keep your weight under control. So these are the modifiable factors that can decrease the chance of coming back, and these are in your hand.
Definitely, sir. And one thing, just we want to know that. तो आपका कोई ऐसा मतलब क्लाइंट ऐसे जो आपके पेशेंट ऐसे जिनकी स्टोरी आप हमसे शेयर करना चाहें?
Yeah, sure. I had a patient जिनका diagnosed हुआ था stage 4 lung cancer. He was a 45-year-old male, and the cancer had went from his kidney up till his lungs, and his entire lungs were filled with cancer cells. And when he had come to me, he needed oxygen and 2-3 people to catch him and come. After that, we started him on targeted therapy. That is, of course, immunotherapy was also one of the options, but he wasn't affordable. So we kept him on targeted therapy, which was just one oral tablet. And on that oral tablet, in next 3 to 4 months, the disease was completely controlled, and he drove the car by himself to our OPD. So that was and this was just another 4 months or so, and just without chemotherapy, just on oral tablet, right? So the paradigms of treatment has improved to that extent that now in kidney cancer we are really moved away from chemotherapy based treatment options.
This is amazing and inspirational story for all those who are suffering from kidney cancers. And sir, एक मैसेज जो किडनी कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे पे आप तरफ से हमारे सामने के सारे व्यूअर्स के लिए?
First step is always prevent, second is early diagnosis, and third is going for effective treatment. So we have to fight the treatment, and for all this, first thing we need to know is awareness, right? So you become aware today, so you can prevent what can be prevented. What cannot be prevented, try to diagnose it early so that you can be, with minimum treatment, you can be guaranteed a complete cure. And if you somehow even are unable to diagnose it early, then go for a complete proper treatment, because in today's time, even in the later stages, kidney cancers have very good survival even without chemotherapy.
Wow, this is amazing. और thank you so much, doctor, for your giving us so many of information, and hopefully आप सभी को अपने सारे questions का आंसर मिल चुका होगा. Still अगर कोई question है तो you can drop in the comment box. और सर हमारे पास है आपके सारे जवाबों का, जितने भी इनके सवाल है उनका जवाब देने के लिए. So इसके साथ ही I would love to say कि सेहत का ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है, कि आपका शरीर ही सब कुछ है. So स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, and हमसे जुड़े रहिए. Thank you so much.